Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a regular expression tutorial on freeCodeCamp. Match all numbers. So we have a shortcut /d, and this will match all numbers from 0 to 9 inclusive. So for this exercise, it wants us to write the shorthand character class /d to count how many digits are in movie titles in it. So we have this, the string, and we want to count how many digits using the shorthand notation /d instead of using this bracket with 0 to 9. So we delete this change and then we put /d, and we want the global for all the times to keep going, not stop at the first one. And now it's going to get the length of it. So we can console log result, and we just see 4, 0, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's all for this one. Thank you so much.